Hi guys, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as separate products in your collection page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for ELA theme, ELLA. So if you have any other theme, you can explore shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of themes with different codes. So here on my screen you can see the current situation. I have two products and each of the product has different variants. So I am interested to display all the color variants on my collection page. So let me show you how you can do it yourself. So firstly, you should download the code. I have added the link below in the description. So once you are downloading the code, then you should be having these four files. Just open document.txt and here you will be having some steps to follow. The first step is like create new snippet and name of that snippet will be color-variant. So firstly, I am going to dashboard of the store. Here you can see that I have installed ELA theme and I am going to take the backup of this theme. So you need to click on duplicate and then after you should click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here you will be finding some folders and files. Just click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and create a new snippet with the name color-variant. So inside of this color-variant file, you need to paste the attached code, which is this one, color-variant.txt. Just copy this complete code and then paste it right here. And paste it here. And then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file. So again, back to the documentation. The second step is like create new snippet again and name of that snippet will be color-product-card. So I'm going to create a new snippet here. Just click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done. And again, we will have to paste the attached code, which is this one. So just open color-product-card.txt and select all the code and then paste it inside of this empty file and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and follow the next step, which is go to snippets, open collection-product-grid. So we have to find this file here, collection-product-grid.liquid. So this is in the snippet and here inside of it, you need to find product-grid-layout. So once you are using Control F or maybe Command F, it will be highlighted here. So we are going to replace this complete code with this new code. So you can see that we have this code right now and we are interested to replace it with this one. So let's delete this code and paste the new code which we have in the documentation and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then we can say that everything is okay. Now we are good to go with testing. So here you can go to the collection page again, just refresh the page again and here you can see that we have all those color variants displaying. You can see that we have these three colors and these three colors. So we had only two products with each of the product had different colors and you can also see different prices are displaying. So this is how you can implement it into your store for displaying all your color variants on collection page. So if you are stuck somewhere or you have any problem, you can contact me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.